Before the dawn of time, you were seated on the throne. Every star and sky declares that you alone are God. Mountains bow in reverence, oceans roar your name. Nothing in this universe can dim your endless fame. And still my heart will sing through every suffering. Worthy still, when the world is shaking, you are worthy still, worthy still, worthy still. Heaven and earth declaring you are worthy Through the ages you have proven faithful every time. Not one promise left undone, not one word left behind. Kings and kingdoms rise and fall, but you remain the same. Yesterday, today, forever holy is your name. And still my heart will sing through every suffering. Oh, you are worthy. You are worthy before creation. You are worthy through every generation. You will be worthy when this world is ending. Worthy, worthy forever. Worthy still, worthy still.
The wind began to rise and the waves were crashing in. I cried out in the darkness, Lord, where have you been? Then out across the water, I heard your voice call clear. Peace be still, my child, I am always here. upon the water, you calmed the raging sea. You spoke into the chaos and brought perfect peace to me. Now I know whatever rises, whatever comes my way, your name stands high above it at the breaking of each day.
Higher than the mountains,
Louder than the thunder, Jesus, you are greater than anything I face.
the name above the storm,
The name above the flood,
the name that breaks the darkness,
the name above it all.
Jesus.
Jesus, when the waves are crashing in, you are standing over them. The name above the storm,
You spoke and galaxies were formed.
you breathe,
You breathe and dead men rise.
you reign above,
Reign above the highest heaven.
ruler of all time.
Nothing is too hard for you.
Nothing is
Nothing is beyond your reach.
Jesus' name.
Name above all names.
My soul finds rest in thee.
Jesus.
Above the storm,
Jesus.
above it
Jesus. Jesus.
I never thought I'd face the day when everything I trusted fell away. The life I built with my own hands could not hold up the weight of where I stand. The doctor's words, the letter came, the phone call in the dark that changed everything. The future that I planned and dreamed was nothing like the life that I now see. But even here, even now, you have not left me. When the ground gives way, when my world breaks down,
When I cannot find
any solid ground,
you are still the same.
you have not moved.
When the ground gives way,
I will fall on you.
I am learning there is mercy, even in the moments I can't see. That the God who holds the heavens is the same God holding me. I will praise you in the waiting. I will trust you in the dark. I will hold on to your promise.
Even when it
Falls apart. You are God and I will worship. You are God and I won't stop. When the ground gives way beneath
the lightning split the sky. But there I stood in worship, with my hands and voice raised high. I've walked through desolation. I've stood at open graves. But even in the grieving, I found reasons still to praise. Not because the pain was easy,
Not because the road was clear,
but because my God was with me every step I felt him near.
storms cannot shake me, floods cannot break me. I am held by the hands of God. Fear cannot hold me, darkness cannot hold me. I am held by the hands of God.
Let the storms come,
Let the storms come,
let the floods rise.
let the floods rise.
I am held. Storms cannot shake me. And I have learned a secret. In the place of suffering, that the anchor holds the deepest. When the waves are threatening, I am rooted in his love. I am grounded in his grace. I am anchored to the promise that he holds me in this place. I am rooted,
I am grounded,
I am held by nail-scarred hands. Through the storm I'm standing stronger, by the grace in which I stand.
storms cannot shake me, storms cannot shake me.
I am held, by the hands of God. Empires crumble, nations fade. Every throne will see its final day. But there is one who stands eternal. He was here before, and he will stay. Science searches for an anchor. Philosophy looks for what is true. Every heart is reaching for a solid place to land, and I have found my resting place in you.
You are
You are the rock that will not move. You are the truth that will not bend. You are the God who stood before time, and you will be there at the end. The rock that will not move. The rock that will not move. I plant my feet on you, Jesus. You are the rock that will not move. I have tested this foundation through the fire, through the flood. I have stood on this confession, Jesus Christ, the cornerstone. Let the storms of hell come raging, let the critics shake their fists. Christ is standing here unbroken. He was never just a risk. You will not move. You will not move. Jesus, you will not I am prone to wonder. I am prone to drift. I am prone to doubting when the fog won't lift. I am not the hero of this story. I am just the broken one who found that God was near. On my best day still I stumble. On my worst day still He stays. He does not love me for my victories. He loves me in my frail and broken ways. When my hands are shaking badly, when my knees forget to stand, He is steady, He is steady. Steady is His hand. Not because I hold on tightly, but because He will not let me go. Not because my faith is mighty, but because He holds me even so. He is steady when I'm not. He is steady when I'm not. When my faith is thin and failing, my faith is thin and failing. He is steady when I'm not. When my hands forget to hold on, when my heart has lost the plot, He is the anchor. He is constant. He is constant. He is steady when I'm not. I have learned to stop pretending that my worship is always strong. Some days faith is just returning to the place where I belong, laying down the weight of striving, laying down the need to prove. He is steady in my stumbling. He is faithful to renew. His mercies are new every What do you do when the sentence is passed and the heat of the moment is closing in fast? When every escape route is dried up and gone, and the only way forward is walking right on into the fire, into the fear, into the place where God makes it clear that He did not promise to keep us from flame, but promised to meet us and walk through the same. The three young men did not bow to the crown. They refused to let pressure push worship down. And when they were facing the ultimate test, they said, whether He saves us, He still knows best. We will not deny what our hearts know is true. We will not surrender our worship to You. So throw us in burning, throw us in flame. Our God will be with us, or glorious the same. This is the faith that the world cannot shake. This is the love that no furnace can break. Walking in the flame, walking in the flame. They were not consumed, they were not ashamed. Walking in the flame, the Son of God remains right beside His children. Walking in the flames. And I will walk through whatever comes near, knowing the presence of God casts out fear. Not that the fire will be comfortable ground, but that His glory is
Every plan you built so carefully has twisted like a worm. If you're standing on the threshold of a fear you've never named, wondering if the ground beneath you will ever hold again. Let me tell you what I witnessed. Let me tell you what I've seen in the lives of those who trusted when the middle turned to me. Every single one who leaned hard on the promises of God found the ground and not give under, though it all felt very odd. The promise is not comfort, the promise is a person, and the person never wavers. He is always, always certain, and the ground beneath will hold. The ground beneath will hold, though it feels like you are falling. The ground beneath will hold. Christ is underneath your sinking. Christ is holding what is old. Lean your whole weight on the promise. The ground beneath will hold. There is tested steel in Jesus. There is proven strength below. Every generation added testimonies as they go. And the weight of all the suffering that the saints have ever known has not broken what is under. It has only made it known. Under grace, under mercy, under covenant blood, under every broken moment, under fire, under flood. He is there, He is under, He is holding from below. The ground beneath will hold you deeper than you know. The ground beneath will hold. Ground beneath will hold. Will hold. Christ is holding. It will
From the ends of the earth, I cry to you when my heart is overwhelmed and I don't know what to do. My hands are reaching upward through the thunder and the rain. Lead me to the rock that is higher. Lead me there again.
have been my shelter in the fiercest of the nights. You have been the calm inside the chaos of my life. I have seen you move through mountains. I have seen you part the sea. There is nothing you can't conquer, nothing too hard for thee. So I lift my eyes above for where my help comes from. You are higher, you are higher, higher than the storm, hey, higher than my fear, oh, higher than the mountain that I cannot move from here, oh, higher than my failures, higher than my doubt. You are the God who lifts me when I'm falling down. Higher, 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 higher. You reign above it all, higher than the storm. You never fall. Even when I cannot feel you, even when the silence breaks my faith, even in the in-between time, you are present, you are safe. So I speak your name above it, every trial, every test. Christ is higher, Christ is greater, in Him I find my rest. You are El, you're the most high God. You reign above the highest thought. Oh, you are El, Elyon, the most high God, most high God. There is no height you have not gained. Higher than the heavens, higher than the storm, higher, higher, always higher. You are Lord. You are higher. You are higher. You are higher. You are higher. Oh, higher than the storm. Always higher. Always higher. Lord of all.
The builders looked it over, and they cast the stone aside. They said it was not worthy, not polished, not refined. But God took what was rejected and placed it at the base, the cornerstone of everything is Christ and His grace. On this stone the church is standing. On this stone the saints have built. Oh, holding, and the church stands strong still. The gates of hell will not prevail. The cornerstone will never fail. The cornerstone holds. The cornerstone holds. When everything around is shaking, the cornerstone holds. Through the ages, through the trials, through the darkness of the night, Christ, the cornerstone is faithful. The cornerstone holds.